commission to paint 2 different cats, and I painted several. I had some photographs of the cats that the lady sent me. I painted several of each cat, not particularly so that the patron would have a choice, but I wasn't satisfied with mine. So I kept painting and I kept painting, and finally I got 2 that I really liked. One of them was the same as the patron chose, and one of them was different than the one the patron chose. So here's a little bit on painting them. This one was a calico, and as you can see, obviously I'm not painting this fast. I put it on time lapse.
Well, there's a cat. I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to paint it again. I did another drawing already on a different paper. This paper did not do what I wanted it to do, but it's a cat. Okay, we're not going to use that one. One of my failures. Well, this one is much better than the other one. The first one. This being the first one. But, I may do a third. I'll think about it. I'm doing a painting of a gray cat. This is the guy. It's Henry. I've painted in a sketch of the cat, and I painted in the ears, the background of the ears, the background of the eyes, and a little bit of the nose. And I'll show you how I paint the rest.
This was the patron's choice. patron's choice and my choice of the calico cat. This was my favorite of the gray cat paintings. Sometimes I do mini paintings of the same subject till I get one of them right the way I like it, which is not always the same as the way the patron likes it. So at least the patron has a choice. Don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.